Another great day at JJB.
Safety improvement in here. We had a container with compressor. We had a cooling where the blades of the fans were literally on show and you couldn't put your hand in there. So this is preventing anyone losing their fingers. We got a nice warning, or switch in there. Be happy.
Great job, sweeping team 1 swept the yard very well. And Mark with before and after, fixing what bugged him. Bits left over from the racking install now removed and a quick clean. Great job. Peter with cleaning bottles on laser 1 and also the answer where the question is asked, where to refill them. Fantastic work. Sam improved an end cap press to make it extendable so we can do 3 different sizes. So you simply extend it and the colour in the square is the particular one it works with. It's fantastic. Nice work Chris and Jake, adding standard work to the generator. I reported a problem to Jake that I was waiting too long when I was printing labels opening the PDF. So originally our whole database was 3.4 gig and it was compressed down to 134 megabytes. So now we've reduced the waiting and over processing by the computer to open the files quicker. And a work in progress from Damien, great work improving your trolley, adding the boxes underneath to have your hooks and they come out like that, eliminating excess motion. Great job. Charlie has added a label to the express pack trolley, and Josh, 3S on your desk, getting rid of the crap before and after. Great job everyone, thank you very much.